guys, what's up? It's Naomi the Crafty Savage here, and I'm back with a unbagging. So, it's two different orders, but from the same shop, because I just couldn't help myself. So, if you know, when I diamond paint, I love to use putty in my multi-placer and glue dots in my single placer. So, I was over the moon when Jenny the Uncrafty Crafter said that she had come out with Oh Snap Dotz. I just they're basically now they're glue dots, but she makes them herself. I guess she has her own little concoction for formula, whatever, and they're scented, and I was like, I am here for it. I'm here for it. So let's get into it. So the first order, this was actually a pre-order, and let me make sure I'm not showing my address here. Right. This was a pre-order, and she put it out in her she's known for unicorn farts. So, and that was one of the most popular scents with her scented cover minders. So, yes. Thank you for shopping my small business. Yes, so they are $6 each. Let's get into it, right? So, of course, she puts them in these cute little organza bags because she thinks of everything, right? We got a coffee Werther's original because she absolutely loves coffee. Let's see the sticker. Ooh, we got 2 stickers. Okay, positive mind, positive vibes, positive life. You know what? I should probably decorate this table. Ooh, I used to use it to paint my nails, and that's why it's a hot mess. This other one, don't give up, always reach for the stars. I love her little positive stickers. Okay, let's put this off. So here we go. This probably explains better. Now she did make a YouTube video. If I remember, future Naomi, link down in the description box, the video that she has on her channel showing how she does it, but it tells you how to use these beautiful scented sparkly sticky dots. Now she uses tweezers, and what is this? Oh, we're just gonna have to read the directions, right? So 1, pull the clear plastic sheet away from the white release paper. Okay, that makes sense. 2, use tweezers to yank. Yes, I said yank. A sticky dot off and roll between your fingers. You should only need 1 or 1.5 dots for your single placer. Awesome. 3, use tweezers or fingers to load the sticky dot into your single placer or multi-placer if you're feeling sassy. Recommended using new tips. Remove any excess from the tip. I just press mine against the outer border. Yep, if it's too sticky, you just rub your finger over it, gets the dirt out. Get to diamond painting and have fun. Right now on her video, the snap sound that was coming from them sticky dots. I was like, I need them. I need them. So this first one, unicorn farts from Oh Snap Crafters Cafe. We got the Oh Snap Dotz scented sticky dots. I love how it comes in this resealable bag. And it looks like you get quite a few of them here, right? Let's see. Oh, wow. All right, so you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 4, 6, 8, 40? If I mathed right. 8 times 5 is 40, I believe. I don't know. I work with numbers all day. All right, so let's see. So you peel it back. Ooh, look at that. All right, I gotta smell them, right? But look, can you see them? They got little sparkles in there. That is so freaking cool. All right, let's see. Does it smell like unicorn farts? Oh, guys, I wish you could smell this. True to form, it smells like unicorn farts. So, you know, you're supposed to take your tweezers, yank it off. Yes, she said yank. And stick it in your pen, right? Now, when I use regular glue dots, I just scraped it off. So, I'm going to load a pen. Let me open this other one real quick so I can pick what set I want. Because I needed to replace the glue dots in my package. In my, how is it? Oh, I love her little notes. Thank you, little Miss Savage. Love, Janai. That's my Janai. Again, these are $6 each. Where did I throw? I don't know what I did with the other one, right? Did she, the other one? On the other one, she left a little note. Thanks, Naomi. Love you, girl. Love, Janai. That's my Janai. Okay. So this next one is Lemonheads. She put out a survey asking, you know, like, what scent should I do next? And, alrighty, so we got the Lemonheads, right? Up here, recommended using new tips. Well, I was never really good at following directions, so. Oh my gosh, look at, all we need is love. That is freaking awesome. Oh, and a sloth. The flash. It's a sloth flash. That is so freaking cool. Okay. Okay, we also got, we got two. What is this? Coffee Delight candies, right? Always have candies, so. Again, I like how, I wonder if she did that intentionally, but I kind of like how it's like, I mean, unicorn farts, you could do, you know, whatever color you wanted. If you could even find, like, tie-dye, that might work. But with the Lemonheads one, how it's, like, yellow, and I don't know, it kind of, like, I like how it seems like the colored bags are kind of, like, matching the scents, right? So let's get into this Lemonheads one. Right, and again, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5... 2, 4, 6, 8 times 5, 40. So you get 40, right? And sorry about that. I had to take that phone call there. My bad. But I'm back. Where was I at? What was I saying? Yeah, but if there, I wonder if like there anything like the glue dots, like this would last a long time. So $6 is not bad, right? So let's get up all in the beeswax here, right? Ooh, look how it like shimmers and shines. She's like, oh, all right, let me see. Ooh, yes, definitely smells like a lemon. Ooh, good golly, Miss Molly. So let's see, what am I gonna go with? I think I'm gonna go with the unicorn farts, right? And that's what we're gonna do. Let me stick this in here. Stick this in here. You're gonna go in here. Alrighty, we'll be right back. Dookly. I got my pen. I grabbed some stinking tweezers just in case. So, Jenny's directions say, what did I do with the directions, right? I probably threw them somewhere because we don't need no stinking directions. Oh, man. Yeah. Pull the clear plastic sheet away from the white release paper. Yes, I figured that much out. Okay. Use the tweezers. So, I love glue dots, right? I use glue dots, but I have a video of it, of how I put glue dots into my pen, and I just basically scrape it off and like roll it around and push it in there that way. Now, I usually use micro dots, so these are kind of more of like the bigger ones, so we're gonna have to see which one. Let's start with this, and I'm going to try it my way. We're going to see if this works. probably won't, but fingers crossed that it does, because I hate using the tweezers. Alright, so let me see. Oh, maybe it does. Maybe it does. Like I said, hold on. Okay, I'm so sorry about this. This video is being cut off left and right. Right. So I had to quick run and get my door and hand over the subcontractor's checks. But as you saw, I was able to, all you really need is one. I'm just kind of pressing it down in there. You know, make sure it's in there. There's like a little bit of excess. Push it in there. Wow, I really only needed one, right? Okay, now this is the true test, right? Let's see how well they stick, shall we? We shall. Let's put these stinking instructions over here. Let's pull out the diamond painting. Alrighty, give me a second. Ooh, dear Lord, baby Jesus, there goes the drills. Okay. So, let's see. Let's see. Okay. I'm gonna use this. Where is that cord? I probably should have stopped the video, but guys, I have stopped this video so many times that I feel horrible. So, all right, now let's see. Turn that on. It's a good. I'm just gonna. Here's a. This is also from Oh Snap Crafters Cafe. This is one of her scented cover minders. Again, that smells like unicorn farts because I like unicorn farts. Okay, let me see. Let me find this symbol, and we will get to snapping and a cracking here. The up symbol. It's my tray. Alrighty. Let's see how this works, shall we? Because I'm curious. She made it look really easy, and if I can, no way. Look at that. Right. So it seems to be picking up. Let's see. Can I get that pop sound? Maybe I need to put more in my pen. It seems like one's doing it, but I'm not getting that satisfying pop that she got. There we go. Maybe it's you just gotta work it a little bit. No, it's making me a liar. But anyway, I'm liking it. They pick up, oh, you can't see. They pick up fantastic. They hold. Right, let's see. I think I need to add another one in here. Maybe not. But, oh yes, look at me go. So yes, I would if you like glue dots, I would highly recommend checking out Oh Snap Crafters Cafe over on Etsy. And support that little mama bear. And I don't know why I just did that, because I'm trying to show you the Oh Snap Dots and not multiplace. You don't got them in your multiplace, a ding dong. But yes, so again, $6 for 40 of them. Like, I like them. They smell fantastic. I will make sure to have her linked down below. But with that said, guys, I'm going to hop on out of here. If you're new to the channel and you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. And don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. And I'll see you next time, guys. Bye!